Matsuri. We got done doing the signing with the voice actor of Franky. Right now we're gonna go ahead and work on this Mustang. We're gonna start wrapping it. There isn't that many Itasha here at Anime Matsuri or Reactor this year. So what happened is we decided to go ahead and build one here. So we changed the wheels so it'll fit the vibe with everybody here, and then we're gonna go ahead and wrap it in something special. So you guys will just have to watch, follow, and see what happens. So let's go see what Expresskin actually does with this this Mustang right here.
Or maybe I'm good at pretending that I moved on. I know that we got a lot of the same friends, and soon enough there come a weekend when we just not bring it up. Yeah, maybe I'm weak, but it's taking too long to get over you. But you fall right back, happens just like that. And I'm not quite convinced that it won't end the same this time. Tell me, can people really get a fresh start? Should I be more careful with my heart? I'm treading carefully. Crazy how something can scar you so deep, but you fall right back.
Okay, so we just got your car signed. So how do you feel about it?
Honestly, I feel like it still hasn't hit me. I just saw him walk away, so it feels kind of weird. I've been a One Piece fan for over 10 years now. I started this when I was in high school, and to think that now my car is in the middle of Anime Matsuri, and it's been wrapped and it's signed by him is just, I don't know. I can't believe it.
How many episodes in are you in for One Piece?
I watched the whole thing. I'm caught up on the manga currently too, so I'm reading like the chapters as they're releasing weekly. Like my brother and I, we put them up on the projector and we read it every Thursday when they release, and we're reading it.
So you're a
caught
fan.
Yeah, I'm caught up like currently like on the manga and the anime.
How about sub or dub?
Sub. I believe in watching the original work, how it was supposed to sound, how it was supposed to look. So no hate on people that watch dub, but I like to watch it, how it was meant to be heard by the original voice actors. So yeah, I have to say sub.
What's your opinion on the wrap itself right now?
It looks great at the moment. He showed me some concept images beforehand, and in real life, it's a whole lot better. Images can only do so much, but seeing it live now, and then it's a nice matte finish. It's smooth. I love it. Completely love it.
Okay, so we're finishing off the wrap itself on one side. Just finer details. We already got it signed. Basically, everything is almost like last minute. We're pressed for time, so we're trying to get this done, and then the voice actor for Franky is signing autographs. We're trying not to like overstress him, We want him to be comfortable. So hopefully you guys can hear me through the mic versus the song or the DJ playing the sound or whatever. So we were able to take a picture, I think, of every car that's in the NeoMeets area. And I've taken like a couple of cars, multiple pictures, multiple angles, multiple lenses. So I was working with a 50mm. I got frustrated because I kept I had to keep going back. But I'm shooting with the 16mm right now. The 16 is actually on the on the video camera, but I was using it on the Sony A7 Mark II. So we're gonna be editing those this week coming up, and yeah, we're gonna have some sick pictures. I'm not gonna really do much on I'm gonna film a couple of the cars, just sliding or B-roll, whatnot. I'm not really great with like the cinematic without the gimbal, so there's like very limit of what I can do, but it'll give you the idea of what was at the event. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to some of the booth that's over there and just show, just show us some stuff. Maybe we'll get some cosplayers. I'm not the person to get in, ask people to either take pictures or be in a video or whatever. So it's just B-roll. So we're here at day 3 at Anime Matsuri, and I got my mic right here. I'm using the DJI Maverick, Mic Mini, and I think you guys can hear me clearly. So yeah, I'm holding this instead of putting it on my thing. I'm gonna put it back. I'm not using this mainly for the camera. I do not want to lug this big FX30 rig all over the place and do car videos with it, especially without a gimbal. So what I did was made a video to here with the DJI gimbal right here, and then my iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is decent if you're just making content creating, and it's probably not enough for YouTube. Maybe it'll be enough for YouTube, I don't know, but it's good enough when it comes to quality. 1080p shooting at about 60 frames per second. We can slow it down. I'm gonna edit everything in phone, so that way I don't have to wait until like Monday I get back to the office. So the car behind me, the Mustang that we've wrapped, is pretty much done on both sides. What we're going to be waiting on is putting decals on the car, and then probably finishing off and installing something on the hood. So yeah, it's about early morning. I got here a little bit early to try to get a decent parking spot, because we're gonna pack up and everything's going into the van. Yeah, so yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
It's like only
Guys, so it's a couple minutes before 4, so well, a couple minutes before 4, but once 4 or 3, one of them, it doesn't matter. So we're gonna go ahead and start like packing up. Once they close the exhibit hall, everybody's gonna be in total chaos trying to get out. So we got a couple tables, we got the car to handle, we gotta take off the wheels and then put the stock wheels back on, and we got a booth set up over there that we need to take down also, and I gotta go help gamers having to take theirs down also, because there's only one person working at that booth right now. So yeah, that is, I didn't do a lot of walking. I didn't want to do a lot of walking. So stayed at the booth, talked to people. People showed some interest in nerdy tags. Showed them how to use it. Everybody that understands, they understand. People that didn't understand are the people that came, grab it without asking. So it is what it is. It's like life. It is what it is. multiple times every day, every year.